Hi, welcome to everybody in my channel. Today we have a new linear equation. How we can calculate the value of x if the two equations are given. X plus y is equal to 40. We give first equation, and xy is equal to 80. We give second equation. X is unknown and y is unknown. So in this type of linear equation, we can use substitution method. We take any equation, so we substitute in the, we take in here's first equation, so x plus y is equal to 40. Now we eliminate, this is your choice, if you eliminate x or y, and then we give in here, we eliminate in here x is equal to 40 minus y. So we give third equation. Now this third equation plug in equation number second. Now we plug equation third and equation number second. To get in the place of x, we put in here this result, 40 minus y, and to y is equal to 80. Now we are multiplying both this, open the brackets, 40 y minus y square is equal to 80. Now we can arrange this question according to the quadratic equation. Now we transfer this result, and also we can arrange y minus y square plus 40y. If here is sign is positive, we transfer to the left side, their sign is also changed, and we get here minus 80. Now we are taking common minus 1. If we take common, y square minus 40y plus 80 is equal to 0. We take in here minus 1 is common, minus into minus plus, and minus into plus minus. Now dividing both sides by minus 1. Now taking in here commons, if we take common, minus 1 is common, y square minus 40y plus 80 is equal to 0. Now dividing both sides by minus 1, on each side minus 1 and minus 1, if we divide, so both are cancelled, and y square minus 40y plus 80 is equal to 0. Now according to the, we are comparing this with the quadratic general equation. We have general equation, so ax square plus bx, ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. If we are comparing here, we get the coefficient of y square is equal to a is equal to 1, and b is equal to minus 40, and c is equal to 80. Now according to the quadratic formula, we have quadratic formula. According, and here we are using y is used as a variable, minus b plus minus b square minus 4ac square root divided by whole divided by 2a. Now we substitute the result of a, b, c in this formula. So minus b here is minus, and minus 40 plus minus, and minus 40 square minus 40 square minus 4 into a is equal to 1, and c is equal to 80. Dividing by 2a, divide by 2a, a is equal to 1. Now we simplify this result, minus into minus we get plus 40 plus minus, and minus 40 square we get minus into minus plus, we get 1600 minus, and this will be 320. 4 multiplied by 1, 4 multiplied by 80, we get the 320 divided by 2. 240 plus minus, if we subtract this result, we get in here 0. 0 minus 0, 0, and here is 2. We get in here 8 and 1580 divided by 2. Now y is equal to, we get 40 plus minus 5 multiplied by 256 square root divided by 2. If we multiply this 256, we will get in here 1580. Now y is equal to 40 plus minus and 5 square root. Now we can simplify. Y is equal to 40 plus minus 256. We can write 16 square divided by 2. So y is equal to 40 plus minus 5 square root, and this will be, we will get in here 16. Both are cancel, this one divided by 2. Y is equal to 40 plus minus 16 5 square root divided by 2. Now we are taking common from 16 and 40. Y is equal to 2 is taking common. We get in here 20 plus minus 8 and 5 under the root divided by 2. 2 and 2 are cancelled. Y we get in here 20 plus minus 8 and 5 under the root. Now this result we substitute in the place of y and third equation, or plug y value in equation number third. So we get in here x is equal to 40 minus the y value is 20 plus minus 8 and 5 under the root. Now we are open the brackets. X is equal to 40 minus 20 minus into plus minus minus into minus plus 8 and 5 under the root. If we subtract both result, x is equal to 40 minus 20, we get 20. This will be minus and plus 8 and 5 under the root. This is the value of x and y. Thank you very much for watching. Please subscribe my channel and share this video more and more.